Hey everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday. But before I get into it, I really want to direct you towards the website. Head over to reimastermind.net and check out the podcast. I've had some amazing guests that bring a ton of value to this real estate investing community. So take a moment, head over to reimastermind.net and check out those episodes there. Well, today I was reminded yet again how powerful small, consistent actions add up to huge results. We live in Minnesota and are finally getting a taste of spring. Unfortunately, this also means that we have quite a bit of snow that's melting. This can be a problem if there's a lot of drifting, especially near a property, and this is exactly the situation that I find myself in. This means I need to move the snow away from my house so the melting snow doesn't find itself in the basement. So I went to the garage, took the biggest shovel I could find, and I started to shovel this heavy, wet snow away from the foundation. You can imagine what happened. I wore out and rather quickly. What did I really accomplish? I accomplished shoveling a single path of snow away from the foundation, but it sure didn't look like much, and it sure didn't match the level of effort that was involved. I needed to recover, so I went back in the house, took care of a few things, and then I noticed my wife was outside shoveling, and she had moved a lot of snow, far more than I accomplished. So how did she pull this off? Well, she had opted for the smallest shovel, one that she could handle even with it full of heavy wet snow. She was out there shoveling for quite a bit longer, but she had moved a heck of a lot more snow, and she wasn't wore out. But that's my point. It took her quite a bit more time, but it didn't tire her out so quickly. She chipped away at that snowdrift with that small shovel and eventually moved a mountain of snow. The same can be said for real estate investing. Consistency wins over big efforts every time. Take those small steps every single day towards a goal, accomplishes the end result, and typically with a lot less daily effort. Have you been wondering how to get started in real estate investing? This is what I want you to do. Let's start with defining your goal. What do you want to accomplish? Are you looking for that next rental property? Or maybe that first house to flip? Well, let's start today. Starting today, let's reallocate 30 minutes of that Netflix binging. And you know, we all do it. But let's set aside that 30 minutes a day and use that time to work towards that goal. Just 30 minutes each day, taking that small step towards that goal. And we could do something as simple as reviewing properties and running some numbers off a Zillow search. Or go grab that local phone book and start making those cold calls. Or organize and get that next marketing campaign out. Making that 30-minute commitment each day will allow you to move that mountain. If you found any value in this tip, would you do me a quick favor? Send this on to one of your fellow investors. I would really appreciate it. Remember to check out reimastermind.net, and we'll see you next time.